Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and today we have a very special prize for you. This is a show scooter. It's a 1965 Lambretta Li Series 3 with a one-off custom paint scheme with a Mugello 200 kit. As you can see, it's in fantastic condition, having just been fully restored. Like I said, a show scooter. What more can you ask for? And you can win this on our website for just $2.99. And what I'm going to do now is show you how to start it. It is cold. I'm touching the exhaust, I'm not getting burnt. This is how I'm trying to prove to you that it is cold. So we put our choke on. I think it might be the choke. And this is our fuel. We have our ignition key up here, which needs to be on. And then we will kick it, and hopefully it will fire into life. Oh, there we are. So just let it tick over a little bit on the choke. Then we can take that off. Fires up really nicely, very tight engine. I think it's only done 3 miles since the build. So it's a really fresh restoration. Really lovely machine. Well, that's it for this video, quite a simple one, but we've got a lot of nice scooters on the website, a few other show scooters. We're trying to do a lot more of them, because I know you guys like them. This one, the tickets are $2.99, and you can catch them on the website, which is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. See where the horn is. If you do enter, good luck.